Hey guys, yeah, I have a thing that we finally got our computer fixed. I want to show you an outside generator. I worked on it. I got it all wired up by myself. It's not really a generator, it's more like this. We got snow last night. It's cold out there. So like wind chill is not really helping that, but it's really cold out. Except when not this is what dog stuff, you know. You see, I got the wiring done. And you can see, this is underneath the roof. I think it hardly any wet at all. So you can see water's just dripping off our roof from the snow we had last night. We did get some snow last night. And I want to show you, this is the first step one. This is only the thing. I'm replacing it hopefully this weekend. I put too big a screw in there, bent this whole thing up, so I'm going to replace the whole box, brackets, and stuff like that. I'll take this off and replace that. I want to also replace it with a proper switch box. I can install one for the thing, and I did hook up a new one of these. See, I did do a lot of work, and you can see step one is I'm not going to be able to do this when I hold the wiring, so what I'm going to do, you can see this has electricity. There's a switch and a regular outlet. It works too. Also for the generator, that'll be part 2 of my thing probably. So stuff like that. So I'm going to go grab the wiring. I'm going to plug it in. Right. I'm back. See, there's some dust going. I'll be hooking up too. I got all the wiring run out. This is a central electric, and you see here's the door, the cord that runs for the electricity. And what you're supposed to do is make sure the switch is off. In this case, it is, and stuff. So I have to go in here. You go in your little storage spot. It's usually on the side of the shed. Right here, I put this in. You grab your cord, pull out your little piece in there. I wired this up on myself. See, here's your little piece. It sticks right over underneath there. That's the type that I bought that purposely for that. Then first of all, I'm going to set this on there because I have to use both hands. So it's just kind of touchy. It's not quite a different powder. So you always have to do it. Alright, and I'm going to put the other piece in the minute I have to do it. Alright, you have it all plugged in, you have your electricity. You can see there, that's what it looks like. It runs right across there. I call this central electric, which means that you don't have to run over cords. I made plain for this. Now, this electricity is going to the outlet, but not the light. Okay, it's off. I have to turn it on. Yeah, you want to see how cool it is. Generator touching. There we are, it's on. And in part 2, I'll show you how to use a generator for it. Generator is limited, so you cannot run all outlets and the light at the same time. You have to use one or the other. It depends on what appliance you have. Like I would be able to power this and that light at the same time. But if I were to power the dusty dome light like this, It has to be either this light or the dusk dawn light. Or this light and the plug, or this light or that dusk dawn light. It won't be able to plug. See? Right there, and it just flips off like this. And you can see your electrical with the standard in the house. So I recommend you make sure you have a GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter that's OLED on the outside. Otherwise, you shouldn't do this. And you can see, and it's tick off this. There you go. You can see it's on. Stuff. Bottom 1 2 works too. Stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna stop the video. But first, now I'm gonna touch the generator. I'm gonna show you how to turn this off in the generator. First of all, you go up here to prevent from accidentally electricity going through the slide into that. You grab your function and I recommend buying a light with a chain hook to it too. You can't undo that. Now, I would have plugged it in the electricity going through the wire, but not into the light bulb, so it won't light. See? Because that switch is off, even though that one's on. So I'm going to undo this, turn this off. I'm gonna go unplug the thing, and then I'm gonna stop the video, and I'm gonna show you how to do it with the operator.